Are you unsure exactly what your post-secondary school career is going to be all about? Do you feel not quite ready to commit to any one field of study? Or do you just want to choose your own adventure, building those employability skills everyone keeps talking about while trying out interesting, sometimes challenging, new career path ideas? If you said yes to any of these three questions, hi. Welcome to General Arts and Science at SLC. General Arts and Science, you can call us GAS, because we do, is designed to give you flexibility. We're expert at building communications, numeracy, and digital literacy skills. We'll open you up to new communities through our inclusivity studies. We can teach you the value of collaboration and critical thinking while you work on real-world problems. All of this is done in an environment that is unlike any other program. In GAS, you get more variety, you meet more people, and get to take ownership of your studies. Rather than being handed a list of mandatory classes, you meet with your coordinator to build a study plan before every semester. You like variety? GAS professors come from a wide field of backgrounds, and we teach a pretty broad range of subjects. You can be in a science lab one class and learning about photography in the next. Not sure about your math, communications, or digital skills? We can help with that too. Our faculty is awesome at showing you how to learn by applying things like math to everyday problems like figuring out a credit card bill or taking out a loan, or that statement your mobile phone provider keeps sending you each month. We're the most flexible program in the college too. We offer students the chance to start studying with us in September or in January. You can move easily from the one-year certificate to a 2-year diploma, or, if you have the right credits, back the other way. If life circumstances change for you, there's an option to finish your studies part-time too. Oh, and did I mention the electives? We dare you to find another program that offers you more. You won't. The college is filled with GAS students. That's because most of our grads go on to other more career-specific programs at SLC. We can show you at least one GAS grad in nearly every program in the school. Some students choose to use us as a vehicle to get them into programs at other colleges and universities in Ontario, all over Canada, in Florida, even in Ireland. It works the other way too. A student may find they're in a program that, for whatever reason, is just not working out. GAS admits students from these programs. We take their credits and their study hours, and we prepare them to change directions. Some even go back to their previous programs after GAS helps them fill in whatever gaps were getting in the way of their success. Every year at graduation, lots of students are taking home their nursing, behavioral science, business, or whatever diplomas, and the GAS certificate or diploma that they earned along with it. You think employers take notice of a candidate with 2 qualifications? Yeah, they do. The General Arts and Science 2-year diploma features an exciting opportunity to work on a real-world project every year. Students collaborate in some very innovative ways to research, identify, and create solutions for a problem in the community. You get to work with the stakeholders. They get to see you in action. This is a good thing. GAS is split into a bunch of different streams. Brockville, Cornwall, and Kingston all offer the 2-year diploma, which is helpful for getting into a university program or an advanced diploma in the college system. Our 1-year certificate varies a bit between the campuses, but can stream you into social sciences, technology, trades, or as we mentioned off the top, the chance to choose your own adventure. Our General Studies certificate is becoming the chosen path for high school grads who are ready to move on, but just not sure what they want to move on to. It's like a higher-end version of the Victory Lap, but with a valuable college credential attached. Talk to us if you're trying to top up your credentials for a university application. Oftentimes, a year with us is all it takes you to get in. We're constantly working on agreements with higher learning institutions. Other colleges in Ontario will take the GAS diploma or certificate as a prerequisite for higher studies. Ask us where you want to go, and we'll do our best to get you there. So, to recap, if you're ready to get on with the rest of your life, General Arts and Science at SLC is here to help. Our campus coordinators in Cornwall, Brockville, and Kingston are ready to answer your questions.